If you want to remove sound or a song from a video in CapCut, the quickest method is to turn the volume all the way down. This is perfect when you want to mute the clip, but still keep everything in place on your timeline, so you can always go back and edit it later if needed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll also share the fastest mute option for the entire track. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline where your video clip is located. Click directly on the video clip to select it. Once the clip is selected, look at the settings panel in the top right corner of the screen. This is where CapCut shows the editing options for the clip you've chosen. Now at the top of that panel, click on the audio tab. CapCut organizes audio controls there, so this is the area you need if you want to remove sound from a video without deleting the clip itself. After opening audio, make sure you're on the basic sub-tab. Under basic, you'll see the volume slider. To completely remove the sound or song from the video, drag the volume slider all the way to the left until it reaches -infinity dB or completely muted. As soon as you do that, the clip becomes silent, but it stays on your timeline exactly where it was. That means you can still trim it, split it, move it, or adjust it later without having to start over. If you want an even faster method, there's another option you can use. On the far left side of your timeline, you may see a speaker or mute icon for the track. Clicking that speaker icon will mute the entire track instantly. This is especially useful if you want to remove the sound from everything on that track at once instead of adjusting each individual clip. So if your goal is to remove a song from a video in CapCut, or just silence a clip while keeping the video itself, turning the volume down is the cleanest method. It's simple, it's fast, and it gives you full control over your edit. Whether you're making a short video, a vlog, or a social media clip, this is one of the easiest ways to clean up your audio in CapCut. And that's it. Your video is now muted in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.